Dear students, today we are going to discuss about your types of coupling. Normally the coupling is divided into two categories. Number one is rigid coupling, number two is flexible coupling. Now we are going to see about your rigid coupling. It is used to connect two shafts which are perfectly in axial alignment. These couplings do not allow any relative motion between the two shafts. There are basic three types of rigid coupling as follows. So number one is sleeve or muff coupling. The figure shows the sleeve or muff coupling. Number two is clamp or split muff coupling. The clamp or split muff coupling consists of a number of bolts. Number three is flange coupling. The flange coupling is further classified as two types. Number one is unprotected type. Number two is protected type. The second type of coupling is flexible coupling. This coupling is used to protect the driving and driven member against harmful effects produced due to misalignment of shafts and vibration, sudden shock load or shaft expansions. There are basic three types of flexible couplings as follows. Number one, busher pin type flange coupling. In this type of coupling allows the imperfect alignment of joining two shafts. That is small parallel misalignment, angular misalignment and angular displacement. The second one is universal coupling. These types of couplings is used to join two intersecting shafts. That is, it is transmit the rotation motion and also arrest the linear motion. Third one is Oldham coupling. This type of coupling is used to join two parallel shafts with small offset. Universal and Oldham coupling also known as non-aligned coupling because they are used when the axes of two shafts are non-coaxial. Summary of this video. The couplings is classified into two types. Number one is rigid coupling. The rigid coupling is further classified as sleeve or muff coupling, clamp or split muff coupling, flange coupling. The flange coupling is further classified as unprotected type and protected type. Second type is flexible coupling. The flexible coupling is classified as number one, busher pin type flange coupling. Number two, universal coupling. Number three, Oldham coupling.